With an emergency, slides will automatically inflate.
Heading back to Washington, D.C.
It's unlikely, but in a
This is
water
United
landing,
Flight
forward
1201
doors slide
from
detach
Seattle,
from the
Washington
aircraft
to
and serve as
Washington
extra
Dulles.
flotation.
Mitzi
Do not use
3F
the aft
and United
exits unless
First, the
advised by
Boeing
crew member.
737-900
You'll also find
aircraft.
4 life rafts
And we're just
located
pushing
in
back out of gate
compartments. 2 are
A10,
located in
Alpha
ceiling
10.
compartments in the fore cabin, 2 are in the ceiling compartments after the overwing exits. There are also 4 window exits over the wings if needed. Lifelines are located in the window frames of the aft overwing exits. All 8 exits are marked with signs overhead. As you locate the 2 exits nearest your seat, remember they may be behind the exit. For everyone's safety, leave all carry bags behind. Please refer to the safety card near your seat for the operation of the exit doors on this aircraft. It's also unlikely, but if necessary, oxygen masks will drop from above your seat and from the rest of the ceiling. If the strap appears and you cannot reach the mask, pull down on the strap to access your mask. Firmly pull the mask to extend the plastic tube and obstruct the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth.
And starting taxi to the departure runway. Departing runway 34 right.
Just in case we do encounter any unexpected bumps. Right now the computer's showing an on-time arrival for Washington Dulles. As we get closer to our destination, I'll update you on the arrival time, the weather, and our arrival gate. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you.